CEBA Covid business loans are due in a few months. So I'm going to show you how you can save $20,000.
Own your life.
Hi, I'm Jessi Johnson, a best-selling author, Greater Vancouver Realtor with eXp and mortgage broker since 2006. In this episode, we're going to cover the potentially negative impact of the COVID CEBA loans that are due at the end of September, and of course, the trick to help you save $20,000. Did you know that over 900,000 businesses in Canada took the COVID CEBA loans? For those that don't know, these were the loans granted by the government after they shut down businesses during the COVID lockdowns so that they had a chance of survival. That means the government of Canada lent out $50 to $54 billion and they expect it back very soon. That's right, over $50 billion of that is still outstanding. Are you curious how many businesses have already repaid back that debt? It's only 10%, and 72% are asking for more time, an extension of the repayment. 90% of businesses still owe the government $40,000 to $60,000, and most of them took the $60,000 option. The Financial Post reports that over 250,000 Canadian businesses may close if the loan repayment deadline is not extended for a second time. 89% of small businesses in Canada took out that CEBA government loan during the pandemic to help them stay afloat, according to the Financial Post. Our government didn't have the money to lend in the first place, so they essentially printed it, which caused most of all this inflation mess in the first place. If businesses and families don't already have enough to struggle with now, imagine if they have another huge monthly loan payment to worry about. This could be a massive problem for many, and the government should seriously consider extending this loan until the economy bounces back and inflation subsides. By the way, of the $40,000 or $60,000 borrowed, the government is offering up to $20,000 forgivable. That equates to $10,000 if you borrowed $40,000 and $20,000 if you borrowed $60,000. Now, I don't know how they came up with those ratios because that simple math is off by a mile. If you do not have the entire loan paid back by the cutoff time, which is December 31st, 2023, you will not be able to receive the forgivable portion and you will owe the entire amount back. So you're better off obtaining a different loan to repay the government back so then you don't have to repay the entire amount. There are products out there, so contact your local bank or credit union for some more options. The BDC, Business Development Bank of Canada, also has loans available where you can easily obtain up to $100,000, but again, you will be paying for it monthly. If you're unable to pull this off before the end of December, you will not be able to receive the forgiveness option and be forced to pay back the entire amount. If you're not able to obtain a loan from your bank or alternative provider, you can expect the monthly payment of interest to be at the tune of 5%. Now, on a $40,000 loan, this equates to essentially $2,000 a year in interest costs or $167 a month. Now, this might not sound like it's going to break the bank, but this is only the interest payment portion. The remaining balance is outstanding, and you have to increase your payments to compensate. The deadline for the repayment is December 31st, 2025, which is in 24 months. Let's take, for example, $40,000 divided by 24 months is $1,667 plus the interest charges. But let's run the numbers off the $60,000 because that's what the majority of people took out. So your monthly payment, if you take $60,000 divided by 24, is $2,500 plus interest. How many businesses can afford, or families, a payment of that size right now? I'm going to guess not many. The purpose of this video is not to freak you out, but more importantly, best prepare you with options to help save you money if you happen to be one of those businesses needing government assistance during the lockdowns. So what do you think about this? I would love to hear your opinion. To keep this content flowing, please like or subscribe to this channel. Feel free to comment below with any questions or opinions, and I will do my best to respond. For confidential questions, my contact information is in the description. Also, please don't forget to pick up a copy of my best-selling book on Amazon, Rockstar Real Estate Investing, if you haven't yet. And I'm here for your questions anytime. And if you are interested in becoming a realtor and joining our team at eXp, we have one heck of a program for new and experienced agents. Thanks for listening. Be sure to tune into the next episode. See you soon.